So our problem is, if a plus b is equals to 6 into root over of ab, then what is the value of a by b? To get a solution, we need to first square both the sides of the equation. So by squaring both sides, what we get? A plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to, this 6 will be squared to 36 and this root over of ab will be squared to ab. So if we move this 36ab to this left side of the equation, then it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 36ab is equals to 0. Now this 2ab and this minus 36ab will give a square plus b square minus 34ab, that will be equals to 0. Now we are getting an equation with a and b, but we have to find out the value of a by b. So to get the expression a by b, we will now divide both the sides of the equation with ab. So this will become a square by ab plus b square by ab minus 34ab divided by ab. So here the square will be cancelled with this a, and here this square will be cancelled with the b, and this ab will be cancelled with the ab. So what we get is a by b plus b by a minus 34 is equals to 0. Now if we consider a by b is equals to x, then we can write b by a is equals to 1 by x. So our equation becomes a by b is replaced with x plus b by a is replaced with 1 by x minus 34 is equals to 0. Now if we take the LCM of x, then it will become x square plus 1 minus 34x is equals to 0. Or we can write this x square minus 34x plus 1 is equals to 0 by multiplying both the sides with x in this equation. So here we have got a quadratic equation of x square minus 34x plus 1 is equals to 0, which is resembling with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, which is the general form of a quadratic equation, where we can write a is equals to 1 because the coefficient of x square is 1 here, and b is equals to minus 34 because the coefficient of x is minus 34 here, and c is equals to 1. So from here we can write the value of x is equals to minus b. What is the value of b? It is minus 34, so it will become plus 34 because it is minus b, plus minus root over of b square. What is b? That is minus 34 again. So it is minus 34 whole square minus 4 into a, that means 1 into c, divided by 2 into a. So this value comes 34 plus minus this 34 whole square is 34 into 34, that is 1156. So it will become 1156 minus 4 into 1 is 4 divided by 2. Now this will become 34 plus minus root over of 1152 divided by 2. Now if we factorize this 1152, what we get? It will come 576, again we divide it with 2, it comes then 36, then 18, then 9, and dividing it with 3, it comes 3. So root over of 1152 will be 2 again a 2, again a 2, a 3 into this 2 under the roots. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 4 into 2 is 8 into 3 is 24 root 2. So we can write this root over of 1152 as 24 root 2. So this will come 34 plus minus 24 root 2 divided by 2, which is 17 plus minus 12 root 2. So the value of x now we have got as x is equals to 17 plus minus 12 root 2, and this is the value of a by b. So this is the answer.